looks like it worked.
We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
The Greens are going on vacation!
On the exact same sightseeing road trip we went on last year!
We don't have to redo old memories. We can create exciting new ones.
We are clear for launch. 3, 2, 1.
Blast off on the Greens' biggest adventure yet.
We're in.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Green, Mo, Christian, at 8:36 p.m. on May 23, 2024, effective until 9:27 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. This is an urgent civil danger message from the Springfield Police Department. A dangerous situation is occurring on the streets of Springfield and parts of Christian County. Residents around these areas are reporting the dead rising without any human remains. These creatures are also known as skeletons. They have been reported to have the ability to move, and are holding an arsenal of bows and arrows, with their appearance as a blocky texture. These creatures are either harming or killing residents by shooting arrows at them from a certain distance. It is confirmed that these skeletons are from the video game by Mojang named Minecraft. It is unknown of how they enter the real world, but all residents are advised to remain vigilant, and remain at a safe distance away from the skeletons. More information will follow as it becomes available.
Long live the Empire!
Was it dangerous?
Very dangerous.
What do you see?
I see everything.
Quite an adventure.
Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes.
What did I miss?